Hey, what's up everybody? It's Michael here at Byerly with another product of the week.
For the rest of your life. Byerly Trade.
How many times have you gone to turn on the grill or an RV appliance that uses propane and uh-oh, your tanks are empty? With Mopeka TankCheck Sensors, monitoring and checking propane levels in your RV and grill's tanks is quick and easy. The Mopeka TankCheck uses ultrasonic technology to measure propane levels in your tanks while sending real-time updates via Bluetooth to your smart devices using the free Mopeka Check app. The standard sensor works on 20, 30, and 40-pound LP tanks, as well as your motorhome's horizontal tank. The app lets you connect to multiple sensors, so multi-tank monitoring is possible. For those of you without a smart device, Mopeka has you covered with the Mopeka Check Double Monitor. The sensor itself has two powerful magnets to attach it to the bottom of the LP tank. It also has little feet that attach to the bottom ring of the tank to make room for the sensor. Available as a single sensor, two sensor pack, or two sensor with the double monitor, the Mopeka TankCheck will be 25% off starting May 28th, running through June 3rd. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel for next week's product of the week when we take a look at the limited edition Byerly RV 70th Anniversary Director's Chair. To stay up to date on all our latest videos, including these products of the week, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news.
For the rest of your life.